welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be working on Barry here. We haven't been doing much with it, been kind of slacking out, but on today's video, we're going to be installing here. Let's go take a look at these injectors we got from WEI, and these are, let's go check them out, see what's inside here. Okay, so these are the ones. These are, you can see right there, they're 175 30s. So I would recommend these. These are if you're gonna buy injectors, go ahead and get these. Go ahead and skip the 155s because those are just too small. And probably the best injector you get would probably be at least 205s. But if you're a little bit of chicken or something, just go ahead and get these. These are 175s 30s, and that should be good because for most of us, these trucks are just toys. They're not for towing or anything because the 6-7 power stroke is pretty much king for towing and everything. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and install these, but before we install them, we're gonna go ahead and do a little race with Perez. I don't know if you guys have seen him yet or not, but he's the welder. So I'll go ahead and shoot a clip right here, and so you guys can see the truck we're gonna be racing. And put the mods on there, see what it is, and so what we'll do is we're gonna go ahead and do it before and then after. So we'll go ahead and do a race right now. Right now the truck is stock with performance tune, which is all the way up, can performance tune, racing against Perez's truck, and his truck is gonna be 250s. I'm not sure. I think it's 100s, and that's pretty much it. And then supporting mods for that. But we'll go ahead and do that, and then after, we'll go ahead and install these, and then we'll try it again and see how it goes. So let's go ahead and let's get it done. Okay, now that we got the injector installed, we're gonna go ahead and I already programmed it, but this is the program we're gonna do. We're gonna do it here. Go back because I have it in the gauges, and then we're gonna go ahead and install. Since they're 175 30s, you gotta get custom tunes. So we're gonna go ahead, and what we do is go here and program, and then go to continue. And then you go to program, it says turnkey on. Let me turn it on real quick. Okay, so these are the tunes we have right now. So what I'm gonna put for this race is we're gonna put the top one right there. That's the ID 7530 level 5. So that's that ID stands for innovative diesel, and then the bottom one is for peak side. So if you guys want to see how the peak side one works, you'll have to wait for when we do the other one for the next video. So you have to wait for the next video, but for this one we're gonna run it on the innovative diesel one and see how it works. So we'll go ahead and go out there, and now we're gonna go ahead and test it out and see how Barry does against Perez's truck. So let's go check it out. Ready? Okay, looks like we're just doing a quick check here on Barry after the race. It looks like everything seems to be pretty good. Looks like there's no we don't got any coolant coming out of here, so that's good. We haven't blown our heads, so that's good. So now we're gonna go ahead and talk about the race. Looks like Barry's getting a little bit better. Off the line, off the dead stop, it looks like it's still pretty slow, so it needs some help right there. But once it's rolling, it looks like it's pretty good. So the main thing that Barry's losing in the beginning is because the tuning. I don't know if it's the tuning or maybe there's something wrong with the truck, that it's kind of delayed and it doesn't want to. You just kind of step on it, it doesn't react. So I'm not sure if high pressure oil is going down or something, but that's kind of normal. I think it's probably the tuning does that, because I had another 03 that did the same thing. So I don't know if it's an 03 thing. It might be an 03 thing, but so we're gonna have to, probably won't check into it or anything, but we'll see then if there's time. But for now, looks like it's running pretty good. So what we're gonna do here is probably try to see if we can get it a little bit faster. That way we're getting pretty close to Perez's truck. But his is still a little bit faster. So what we're gonna do is probably see if we can get we got the other tuning that I showed you guys in the video. Is we're probably gonna go ahead and switch it out maybe, and then also maybe change the air filter, because I think it's plugged right now. Give it a little more breathing so it can make some more power. So we'll do that probably on the next video. So if you guys want to check out if the tuning does any difference, and maybe the air filter or something we're gonna try next, we'll probably have to tune in for that. That'll do it for this video. And if you guys